the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now he is playing a recording. He called out 99 and a lot of other people to come and listen to what was going on, because there's some, names being called. So go ahead and watch the video, or listen to it I should say, and come to your own conclusion. Comment and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Voila. You better edit it to me right that in the comment section to get glad. Maxine, I was already covering my patch. I literally
pause. Frigate, please.
First,
please.
I copied every fucking thing and send it back to Reggie. Every blood clot.
I'm not talk.
Because no one did ask them to connect, because I don't want no missing no piece. You understand what I say? Because I realize that for social media, with the lies with you people, it's just too much. Too much, bro. Like too much.
Anayoka this, Anayoka.
Now go black you now, Maxine. See your two number them there.
Like and share.
Alright. Let me see what I want now. Oh, me do the blacking. Black your bumbo clot. That one blackage. Black. Me I go play the voice note them, but me I black her first.
Them dash it a bag of things. Yeah. A bag of things that dash out.
Two number me I share. Una you walk on?
Go down the night. Oh my glasses. Go down the night, go down the night. Go down the night.
Go back on it.
Yes, you can play them. Make sure it loud too.
Me I go show the chat them too.
Show them.
Yeah, me go show everything. Them. Because the thing about it with the lies, you're gonna say, I come in your fucking phone and I said to you, yeah, don't give Leggy nothing. Leggy's bipolar bitch. Listen to me. There's one thing about me. You see the hypocrite thing. You see anything I have to say to you, I say it to your face. I can't pretend. I don't know how to fucking pretend. Me can't do it. Me not actor. You understand? Me have anger problem. From a little bit I grew up. So if from me pissed off, it a go show. You understand what I'm saying? I couldn't know. If me have a problem with Leggy, I go know that.
Man in the dark with the maps.
Me and Leggy used to
Mix
put
up
up with one
sweet.
another like dog, ox skin. And see me and him, you know. You understand? And that's where me and Leggy come from. So you say me have something to tell him. Me I go bumble clock tell him myself. What you feel like? What do you think's gonna happen? Like if I go and say something. Who's gonna fucking beat me? Bitch, me never see the man or the girl to beat me yet. The last time they give me 4 stabbing on my bumbo for car, me it never worked. You understand?
Lord!
Young up thing.
Lord!
Let me show the chat now.
Show the chat, good man, show the chat.
I got it. Why the fucking phone are this?
See, that show things, that show things.
Okay.
That show bag of things. That show bag of things.
No, put it up, because I listening to them.
A bag of things get that short.
Start it back.
I talk too much.
Messenger more than so, because that phone was on the surveillance for the longest time, because I used to get 300 messages in a one.
And this message, remember when Leggy said, when she said she has the voice notes, and I said volunteer that I would go and use my number because Leggy didn't want to give out his number to anyone. I did message her in her messenger, and Maxine went AWOL. No one could find Max. Coming in.
When I say,
and she resurfaced now.
Let me tell you something. Hold on. You see when you show the phone and you play the voice note, then make the live seat so they don't feel like say you hide certain messages. You see when you go through it now, you have the phone from the phone, and so you go through the message, I show your hand go down. Don't take your hand off it. If you have it pan lock, if you have your phone pan lock mode, take off it pan lock mode so it not lock. Because I want this to be a transparency live, because let me tell you something, me know, yeah? Alright.
Okay.
So it go. Play it now.
So?
Do not talking, just talk. Play, talk, play. Alright.
and that show things, master.
So anyway, now, yeah? That's that.
Go down the night, buddy.
Me no going on, she come on Leggy Live, and when she come on Leggy Live, me I say to her, say, Maxine, yeah, do a run on, you know, give you the message, Ray, whatever. She end up coming and me something and say, she not understand the messenger. Anyway, let me play the thing. Phone like again. My phone has to have an extra security, you know. I mean, that's all let me go. Yeah. And they are seeing me, Leggy?
Yes, girl, go down night.
One in less than an hour. I used to get so much message and threats and all of them something.
And
so that's why you know really use it. And your message was one of them that was in the list. I think it was more than 100 message. It says message suggestion, but me said there was another part of messenger that it was. So I press funny and I see one whole heap of message. But me good, my girl, me good. And I can't legendary so much because all the years me try. Because all the years we tried to be 2 years.
I'm actually number for sure.
Tell everybody say I'm Mixup with Chris. And he still let's see me. And I remember when Legendary got on 11 and said, Maxine, I'm gonna put you to rest now. Make you see say you were right. And he came out and he played that piece of tape when Chris come in for me. You play that piece of tape, and I was.
Oh, you're not me yet. Wait.
My ears said them strike him, and I feel so bad. And that is why I sent him the cash up 2 times. I don't know make the way send him the cash up. I just that make the way send him the cash up 2 times.
I used to say it, not me. Admin.
No, he never begged me $1. He never begged me $1, and I feel so bad when he said he was gonna send it back.
You're an amazing Doran.
And Dr. Jennifer Barron called me and said, you know where you send money go give this boy for. You remember they disgrace you, and me go over there and look. And I never said another word to anybody. And then Mr. Smarty type up in one comment say, how much.
What a shame you don't love Mixup, though.
Anybody who sent that note on that page, it was Jennifer. Because she was the only one who called me here about it. It was her. Troublemaker.
Everybody at your blood clot lie.
Oh, so that's the more grace, eh? Oh, that's so yeah, wait.
Troublemaker. Because nowadays, we just listen to Legendary, and I mean, when we feel like we comment, even though when we comment, one cuss and go
like and share.
But that's okay.
Call Gracie, Maxine, and the shop boss.
You know me not listening?
When I'm go back and look at Tubes, we chat to one apart there.
I mean, when we feel like we comment, even though when we comment, one cuss and go on with themselves, but that's okay. Love you too, sweetheart.